John Higgins, Mortgage One. Happy Monday. So, more good news on the inflation front. So, we did get a jobs number print a week ago that, although the numbers are very strong, which is great for the real estate industry, we need people with jobs to buy homes, of course. Inside that, it looked like wages were tempering a little bit. So, wage inflation's been a big issue with the overall inflation that we've been fighting. And then this past Thursday, we got our CPI, so that'd be the Consumer Price Index reading. The core rate came down 0.1%. So it's the first time since 2020 that we've seen a negative read on inflation. It's not all bad news out there with regard to interest rates. We're starting to see a trend. We've been kind of talking about this where we thought all these Fed increases, they're slowing the economy, and the bond market is getting out in front of this, and that has been our interest rates have been a benefactor of that, and that kind of speaks to good things to come as we head into the spring selling season. We know there's not a lot of inventory out there, and we got to get a few sellers to bring their houses to market to get this market really rolling. But right now, the trend is good. The Fed will raise rates again when they meet later this month. I think February 1st is their actual decision. So, expect another increase there, but, don't be alarmed by that. The bond market is very forward looking, and they've already priced in lower inflation as we head forward throughout 2023. And we're very confident that interest rates are not going to hit 7.5% or 8% as they're threatening to do last year. So, as you're talking to your clients and prepping for this coming year and the spring selling season, make mention that interest rates are in much, much better shape. So we're looking at something that's around 6% on some of our products, 6.5% on others. So, that's well off the 7.5% that we had before. And, basically preach the good word that rates aren't going to be as bad as people expected. I think there was a big, big fear factor last year that destroyed the second half of our selling season last year. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Have a great week.